Hi everyone, you probably already know there are some schemes where people create fake crypto, a token that looks like real USDT. Then they use it to pay for things like phones or expensive watches or whatever. The seller sees that transfer and thinks it's legit, but later find out the token is worthless. So, I got curious how this actually works, and I asked ChatGPT, and it gave me full guide with the code. But honestly guys, the code wasn't great, and I had to fix it to rebuild it myself. I finally made working version. Not for scams, just to show how easy to create a Flash token. I have pinned the correct version of the code for you in the comments below. To deploy this smart contract, you will need to install MetaMask and make sure your wallet has at least 0.04 Ethereum. That's the estimated network fee to create 50,000 USDT Flash tokens. So guys, go to Remix and create a new file. Name it however you want. I'm gonna name it USD token. Alright, and just paste the code over here. So copy the code, go back to Remix and paste it here. Close this window, go to Solidity compiler and select this version and click comply. Alright guys, if you see the green sign over here, it means the code is working and we are ready to connect our MetaMask wallet. Guys, I already connected my wallet, so I no need to connect it again, but you just click on it and you will see the window from the right side. After connecting wallet, you will see your account balance here. So let's scroll down and deploy and verify the name. So let's name the token. It's gonna be USDT and token symbol ERC20 and click transact. In the max fee field, write the 3 and click confirm. So let's deploy the contract. Confirm the transaction. Confirm it. Yeah, the transaction was submitted. Let's view the transaction and close the extension. Accept selected, and here our status of the transaction is validated. So let's go back and take a look what we have over here. Alright, verification is successful guys. Let's scroll down here and you will see the address guys, the Flash address and your balance here. Guys, let's check the address, copy it, go to Ethereum blockchain and paste it here. Alright, yeah, it exists. Let's copy it again. And guys, right now we need to make a payment of 0.04 Ethereum. This is the minimum for the 50,000 Flash USDT, but if you want more, of course, you can deposit more. So just click continue over here and confirm the payment. Alright, the transaction was submitted. As you can see, it's pending. Let's wait for the money over here. In a short while the money will arrive. So guys, let's just wait a bit. It takes up to 1 minute. Alright guys, our balance right now is 0.04 Ethereum. It's enough to make 50,000 USDT and click start. And don't forget to specify max fee and confirm the transaction. Alright. Okay, confirm guys, and these steps, this action initials the crafting of your tokens. So it's pending. Alright, click withdraw to transfer your tokens to your wallet. Repeat all previous steps, specifying max fee again and confirming the transaction. Okay, click confirm, and now we have to wait a few minutes once the withdrawal is successful. Right, let's wait. Alright guys, so transaction is finished and withdrawal is successful, so we can go to our wallet and wait for the money actually guys. So let's refresh it and wait. Alright guys, yeah, as you can see, we successfully received 50,000 Flash USDT tokens that you can use on different exchanges. Yeah, and also you can trade it. Guys, thank you for viewing this video and see you on my next one. Bye.